got this gorgeous purple local garlic. So you can see they're enormous cloves. So I'm going to, got 1 clove is the equivalent of 2 to 3. So I'm going to chop all of this and then divide it up. So let's just trim them. I'm just trimming off the root ends. And then I'm going to smash and peel them. I'm going to just smash down on my garlic so I can easily peel it. And then I'm going to chop mine. I'm not going to microplane it. All right, my garlic is peeled. And now let's chop it. Just slice it and then rough chop it. And we'll try and get it pretty fine. And I'm just rough chopping this great big pile of garlic now. So my garlic is chopped. Doesn't have to be super, super fine, but quite fine.